add a pupil, click on the Pupils tab on the left hand side and then on the Add button. You'll need to give your child a first name and a last name. You'll also need to fill in a username. We recommend, if you're using Office 365 or Google to single sign-on, to add an email. To generate a password, click on the Generate Random Password button and select an option from the drop-down. Then click Generate. If you've got the child's UPN, we recommend adding that as well, as that's used to update them. Give the child a class and a year group, and then click Save. To edit the child, find them again, select them, and click the Edit button. You can then edit any of the fields. Save when you're ready. You can also add a child from the Classes tab. Select the class, click the Edit button. Click the plus button next to Pupils, and then click Create a New Pupil. And then we're back in Create a New Pupil area. You can also add them from the groups. Select the group, click the Edit button, click the plus button next to Pupils, then Create a New Pupil, and we're back in the Create a New Pupil area. This has been a video on how to create pupils manually. If you need any help or you have any questions, please contact support@twosimple.com.